Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me an email with a file, this file, and a video. And if they didn't send the video, I would have never figured out what was wrong. They have everything set on Snap2 guidelines, object, and page. But in his video, he tries to snap these two boxes together, and they won't snap together, as you can see. Well, there's a reason why they don't snap together. Because you're grabbing them, and I'm not, everybody maybe doesn't know this, you're grabbing them like in the center of the box. If you will grab it on the edge of the box, it'll snap to it. If you will grab it on the tip of the box, it'll snap to the tip of that. Same thing with the guideline. You can grab it in the middle, it's not going to snap to it. You grab it on its side, and it'll snap to it. It's just something Corel's got, like we've got snap to page. It's not going to snap to the page. It'll actually it'll tell you the center, but if you will grab it from the side, it'll snap to the page. So next time you need to move something to snap to it, like right there, I'm grabbing at the bottom, but it's not snapping, but it does there. Same thing here. It doesn't snap unless I grab it to the top. Anyway, I hope that was what the problem was and helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.